Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Science Query. I am your host Dr. Asha, and in this video I am going to talk about what is soil and what are the different types of soil. Soil is the upper layer of earth where the plants grow. Soil is a complex, dynamic, living ecosystem which supports plant growth, filters water and store carbon. Soil typically consists of organic matters like bacteria, insects and decomposed plant and animals. The soil is also consists of minerals like feldspar, micas and iron. Soil is also composed of gases like nitrogen, carbon and oxygen and liquids like water. Next, let us see the types of soil. Soils are classified on the basis of color, texture, composition and property. Now the first type of soil is the sandy soil. The texture of sandy soil is gritty and coarse. It drains quickly, weak in nutrient retention, thus support less plants. Sandy soil warms up and cools down quickly. Sandy soil supports mostly tuberous crops like carrot and potatoes. Next type of soil is the clay soil. This type of soil is smooth in nature and becomes sticky when wet. Clay soil have high water retention capacity, hence are poor in drainage function. Also stores high nutrient and become hardened when dry. It is suitable for crops like kale and broccoli. Now the next soil is the silt soil. They are soft in nature and soapy in texture. They retain moisture and are thus nutrient rich. Silt soils are ideal for growing most of the crops. Another type of soil is the loam soil. Loam soil are basically the mixture of sand, silt and clay soil. These soils have good draining capacity and also have high fertility. Thus they are good for gardening and farming. Another different type of soil is the peat soil. Peat soils are spongy and dark in appearance and it has high organic matter. They retain moisture and are acidic in nature. Peat soils are generally used to improve soil structure and to increase the water retention capacity. Next important soil is the volcanic soil. They have high water retention capacity and are rich in nutrient. Volcanic soils are very fertile and are ideal for all types of crop. Chalk soil is another type of alkaline soil which is suitable for those plants that grows under alkaline condition. This soil is poor in nutrient and have low water retention. Now the next type of soil is the laterite soil. They are rich in iron and aluminum oxide and are found in tropical region. Laterite soil become hard when dry and are thus used for building materials. Another important type of soil is alluvial soil. Alluvial soil has fine texture and fertile in nature. Alluvial soils are found mainly in river valleys and well draining in nature. This type of soil is good for growing wheat and rice. Now let us see the next type of soil, that is the black soil. The black soil are clay in nature, rich in nutrient, high water retention capacity and cracks when dried up. Black soil is suitable for cotton cultivation. Now the next is the red soil. Red soil are sandy to clay in nature. They are rich in iron oxide. They are low in fertility and are acidic in nature. Crops like millet and tobacco grows on the clay soil. Now the last type of soil, that is the tundra soil. The texture of this soil is thin and frozen. This soil is low in nutrient content and this soil is found in the form of permafrost layer. Tundra soil is found mainly in Arctic regions. Well, that is all about the soil and different types of soil. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel Science Query and please like, share and comment. Thank you.